Public Educator Emily Sullen with Mississauga Fire and Emergency Services. Smoke alarms can be lifesavers, but only when we install them, and only when they're working. If you hear a chirp sound like this, coming from your smoke alarm, it's time to change the battery. Here's how to do it. To remove your smoke alarm, twist it and take it off. Open the cover and remove the old battery. It should come out pretty easy. Replace it with a brand new battery and close the cover. Now that you have a new battery, twist it back into its original position. Now it's time to test it to make sure that it's working. If your smoke alarm doesn't have a test button, it's outdated and you need to buy a new one. Smoke alarms need to be on every story of our home and outside of sleeping areas. Test your smoke alarm monthly. If it fails to respond during testing, buy and install a new smoke alarm. And remember, smoke alarms don't last forever. Check the replace by date as it needs to be replaced every 10 years. Working smoke alarms save lives. From all of us here at Mississauga Fire and Emergency Services, stay safe.